शक्ति हमें दे दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर हो ना। इतनी शक्ति हमें दे दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर हो ना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई बुरा हो ना। इतनी शक्ति हमें दे दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर हो ना। दूर अज्ञान के वो अंधेरे, तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे। हर बुराई से बचते रहे हम, जितनी भी दे बड़ी जिंदगी दे। बैर हो ना किसी का किसी से, भावना मन में बदलेगी हो ना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई बुरा हो ना। इतनी शक्ति हमें दे दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर हो ना।
Let's position. Let's begin. नाटक इथे begin.
Your breath, not your name in our heart. You still burn like a flame. Good morning, everyone, those who are present here. Now I would like to call our beloved HM Madam, Pinky Patro Madam, please come on the dais and address some words in the memories of our late U.S. Patil Sir, President of Lawrence International English Medium School, Dandeli. Please come, Madam.
Good morning, everyone. U.S. Patil sir, he need not any introduction. In the Dandeli, he is a well-known, renowned personality. He was an educationist, he was a retired principal, he was a press editor, reporter, and as well as our president of Lawrence International English Medium School. And it was a great loss for us. We have lost him. Last Sunday, he has taken his last breath in the hospital. To finish his last rite, he was brought to Dandeli. The whole Dandeli's eyes were full of tears, and we were also included in that. That day we could not think of institute without US Patil sir. We never thought this institute could have existed if he would have not there. He has a dream about the school, and this is the result where you all are standing, we all are standing, management members are standing in this institute. And his dream was this school should be the full of courage, discipline, and the hospitality. The student, the teachers, everyone should know the part of discipline in the life, part of everything in the education system to work on it, and it should be worked in that way that we can fulfill our dreams. As he was this part very well, and when he was here every day, he used to come and visit our school, and he used to see the students, the ground, the building, the color, the blackboard, everything. Nothing, a single bit is missing out from his eyes. And every time he is giving a suggestion how to improve the institute. And till now we are remembering his words, and we are going to follow his words to improve this institute and make a upcoming star institute in the Dandeli, and it should be entered in the history of education, not in the Dandeli, in the whole Karnataka. And I'm thinking not in Karnataka, the whole India, it should be a renowned school. His dream was that, and we are going to fulfill his vision in this. And it is a great loss that we have lost him. And we are here gathered to pay last tribute, last rituals, giving flowers, Shraddhanjali to him, that from our prayers, let him get the grace, and he should be staying in the heaven. There he could bless us with his showering words, blessing words, that our soul will be blessed and best in the institute. And lastly, when Saturday he has come, he was planning about gathering. He was planning about you student, how to conduct the gathering, how you are going to perform, how you are going to sit, where you are going to sit, what you are going to have it in that day. Everything he has planned, but God has not given him chance to do that. For one day itself, on Monday we thought of doing the gathering, and Sunday we have lost him, and now he is not here. But we are going to fulfill his vision, and we are going to work hard and hard to achieve his success. Thank you everyone, those who are here. Do the prayer that let him get the help. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Supriya Talpati from 10th standard. Today I am standing before you to tell few words about U.S. Patil sir. Our school president, late Sri U.S. Patil sir, was a great leader and a kind human being with a great personality. He always worked selflessly for the development and success of our school. Sir had started this institute. Because of Sir, we all are here today. Sir encouraged students and teachers to give their best in academic and activities. His guidance and vision helped our school grow in many ways. Sir cared deeply for the welfare of students and staff. From my first day of school, I had seen Sir. Sir never made any partiality between any students. Even when I got selected for national level, Sir had honored me. And Sir had cared and encouraged like her own daughter.
Continue.
So, even in my studies, he had supported me a lot. Sir had told me that you will be the ranker in this SLC result. I will be the ranker and I will fulfill his dream. Though Sir is not longer with us, his values and ideals continue to guide us. We feel Sir's absence deeply and remember him with gratitude. Sir U.S. Patil sir will always live in our heart and memories. Thank you.
No farewell words were spoken, no time to say goodbye. You were gone before we knew it, and only God knows why. A very good morning to everyone. I am Ashrita Ajit Naik from 7th standard. Today I am here to speak some words about U.S. Patil sir. You all know that U.S. Patil sir was our school president, a big-hearted man. You also know that he went away from us at Sunday morning. We all still missing him. There was no goodbye for us. Our last goodbye was also never said. Those special memories of you will always bring a smile. If only we could have you back for just like a little while, then we could sit and talk again. Just like you used to do, you always meant so very much and always will do. The fact that you are no longer here will always cause me pain, but you are forever in our hearts. In any program, you may see that U.S. Patil sir will coming and sitting on the chair. Now, who will sit on that chair? Now onwards, the chair always look empty. So my wish is nothing but keep one chair for him, like always how we keep. He may come and sit with us. A smiling face went away from us, a disciplined body went away from us, a good manner one went away from us. And these all good habits are also there in our U.S. Patil sir. We miss him. A speech was always given by him that was very sweet, that understood today. Why? Because he was with us. We always think that, oh, what a wonderful speech. Next also we can listen this. But no, our thinking had become lie. We miss him. Everywhere we miss him, our school is filled with his memories we never forgot. We were not knowing that this moment may also come. We miss him, sir. We miss you, sir. Last word I want to say, roots that nurtured, wings that soared, U.S. Patil sir, legacy always honored. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Arshita. Now I would like to call from 8th standard Salome to speak some values and thoughts about the U.S. Patil sir. Please.
Everyone, with deep respect and sadness, we stand together today to remember the life and values of respected U.S. Patil sir. Patil sir was not just a leader of our school, but a guiding light for every student and teacher. A great soul who believed in education, discipline, and humanity, Patil sir will always live in our hearts. Patil sir's life teaches us that true leadership built on values, not position. Though he is no longer with us, his vision for our school continues to guide us. Patil sir turned a school into a family and learning into a mission. May his soul rest in peace and we honor him by following the values he stood for. Thank you.
Here we wind up with the students. All students cannot speak up, but your wet eyes with the tears speaks everything what you want to speak. So I hand over mic to Imtiaz sir to say a few words about U.S. Patil sir.
Good morning, everyone. MJF Lion U.S. Patil sir. U.S. पाटिल सर एक नाम नहीं, एक सोच है, एक प्रेरणा है, एक हिस्ट्री है। जब जब पाटिल सर का नाम आता है दांडेली में इतिहास में लिखा जाएगा, क्योंकि पाटिल सर दांडेली के लिए एक ऐसा काम किए हैं जो आज तक कोई किया ना होगा और आगे कोई करने की कोशिश भी नहीं होगी, क्योंकि एक लीडर ऐसा था हमारे बीच में जो एक सोसाइटी के लिए नहीं, एक कम्युनिटी के लिए नहीं, पूरे दांडेली सिटी के लिए, दांडेली पब्लिक के लिए एक ऐसा काम उन्होंने किया जो दांडेली के जो लोग हैं उनको हमेशा हमेशा के लिए याद रखेंगे। और पाटिल सर, पाटिल सर पाटिल सर के बारे में तो कुछ बोलूंगा तो मेरे लफ्ज कम पड़ जाएंगे, क्योंकि वो लिखते लिखते किताब बन जाएगी पाटिल सर के बारे में। अगर बोलते बोलते शाम हो जाएगी, जब भी उनके बारे में कुछ कहूंगा तो मेरे वर्ड्स कम पड़ जाएंगे। इसके लिए मैं आज लायंस वेलफेयर सोसाइटी की तरफ से और एज ए सेक्रेटरी लायंस स्कूल इंटरनेशनल इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल सेक्रेटरी की तरफ से सर को एक सर की बात मुझे हमेशा याद आती है, काम ऐसा करो जिससे नाम हो जाए, नाम ऐसा करो जो नाम से ही काम हो जाए। सर ने मुझे दांडेली में पहचान कराई तो वह है यूएस पाटिल सर। मुझे कोई पहचानता भी नहीं था, लेकिन मैं आज जो भी हूँ यूएस पाटिल सर की वजह से आज दांडेली में एक बोलने की एक मुकाम पे पहुंचा हूँ मैं। लेकिन यूएस पाटिल सर इतनी रात दिन उन्होंने पब्लिक की सेवा में लगाए कि उनके आखिरी सांस तक उन्होंने अपने लिए कुछ नहीं किया, उन्होंने दूसरों के लिए ही मेहनत की, दूसरों की कोशिश के लिए अपना जीवन दान दिया। और ये बात हमेशा वो टीचर्स के सामने, स्टाफ के सामने कहते थे, पाटिल सर और इम्तियाज दो जिस एक जान है। सर जान तो चली गई, जिस्म तो चला गया, लेकिन जान आपकी यहीं पे रह गई सर। हम आपके मार्गदर्शन पे हमेशा हमेशा खड़े उतरेंगे और जो आपने हमें जो राह दिखाई हम उस पे पूरी लगन सच्चे दिल से हम इस इंस्टीट्यूट को आगे लेके चलेंगे सर। और आप नहीं है तो आपकी दुआएं और आपकी प्रेरणा हमेशा हमेशा हमारे साथ रहेगी। 2 दिन पहले हम सभी ने एक ऐसी शख्सियत को खोया है जो हमारी प्रेरणा थी, हमारे मार्गदर्शक थे। जब भी हम जीवन में लड़खड़ाते हुए हमारे सहारा बनकर खड़े रहते थे, जिनकी उपस्थिति ही हमारी सकारात्मक शक्ति देती है। स्वर्गीय श्री एमजेएफ लायन यूएस पाटिल सर जी को नमन कर श्रद्धांजलि देने के लिए लायन स्कूल के सभी छात्र, शिक्षक, छात्र और मैनेजमेंट मेंबर्स एक तरफ हुए हैं। अल्लाह उन्हें जन्नत नसीब करे, आमीन।
Respected principal, teachers, dear students, respected line members, line ladies, PTA members, teaching staff and non-teaching staff. The purpose of this assembly, we have gathered here today to offer our prayers and express our heartfelt condolence on the sad demise of MJF Lion U.S. Patil sir, who passed away on 20 December 2025. I request everyone to observe 1 minute of silence in respectful memory of the departed soul, praying for the eternal peace and strength to the beloved family. Just observe 1 minute silence, please.
Join your hands, student.
Thank you so much.
Principal madam, please. Parent committee. Parent committee.
Shanti, Shanti, Om Shanti, 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 Om Shanti.
भगवान उनकी आत्मा को शांति दे और स्वर्ग नसीब दे।
We will be gathering here to share our memories, and this is the really one of the sad moments. We lost our navigators and maybe are the leader who is